Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Children, today we'll learn Standard 5th Subject Math. Lesson number 10, Measuring Time. Hello students. Today in this part of this lesson we'll study how in the clock second hand is also there. See here children, a small hand which is on 7, which is a hour hand, a long hand which is on 4, which is a minute hand, whereas this small line which is on 2 is known as second hand. Okay, so how the timing is read over here, 20 minutes and 10 seconds. As it is on 2, it means 10 seconds past 7. This gap between 12 to 1 is of 5 minutes, 1 to 2 is of 5 minutes, so like this is of 10 minutes. Okay, now let us see one more example. Here our hand is on 10, the small hand. This longer hand is on 3, which is minute hand, and this one is on 8, which is a second hand. Okay, so how will read it? 15 minutes and 40 seconds. See, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. So like this 40 seconds past 10. Children, seconds are used on various occasions such as measuring temperature with a thermometer, measuring heartbeats or timing a race. That time these seconds are used. Students, now let us learn more important concept, that is anti-meridian and post-meridian. Let us see first what is anti-meridian. The time before 12 noon is stated as anti-meridian or AM. And what is post-meridian? The time after 12 noon is stated as post-meridian or PM. This method of measuring time is called as the 12-hour clock. Okay. Children, now let us study the 24-hour clock. To study the 12-hour clock timings and 24-hour clock timings, let us have a look at this table. See, here in the first example, small hand, which is hour hand, is on 12 and longer hand, which is minute hand, is on 1. Means it is 0:05 am. That is as per 12-hour clock. Even it will remain same for 24-hour clock, that is 0:05. Means 5 minutes past 12 midnight. Okay, now let us see the next second one clock. In this small hand, which is hour hand, is on 1 and minute hand is on 4. Means 1:20 am as per 12-hour clock. Now as per 24-hour clock, the timing will be also 1:20. Means 20 minutes past 1 during night time. Okay, now see the third clock. In this, hour hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 11. Means 6:55 am as per 12-hour clock system. And as per 24-hour clock system, it will be 6:55. Means 55 minutes past 6 in the morning. Now let us see the fourth one clock. Here also our hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 3. It means as per 24-hour clock system, it is 10:15 am. And same timing will be there as per 24-hour clock. Means 15 minutes past 10 in the morning. Now let us have a look at the fifth clock. Both the hands are hand as well as minute hand is on 12. It means 12 noon as per 12-hour clock as well as 24-hour clock system. Children, now let us see the another side of this table. Here also we are having in the first clock hour hand on 12 and minute hand on 1. It means 12:05 p.m. as per 12-hour clock system, and as per 24-hour clock system the timing will also remain same, that is 12:05, means 5 minutes past 12 noon. Now let us see the second example of the other side. Hour hand is between 1 and 2 and minute hand is on 4. It means the timing is 1:20 p.m. Children, now here it is p.m. means as per 24-hour clock 1 means 13. So it will be 13:20, means 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Now see the third example. Here hour hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 11. So the timing as per 12-hour clock is 6:55 p.m. and as per 24-hour clock 6 means 18:55, means 55 minutes past 6 in the evening. Now see the fourth example. Hour hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 3. It means as per 12-hour clock system it is 10:15 p.m. and as per 24-hour clock system 10 means 22. So the timing will be 22:15. It means 15 minutes past 10 in the evening. See children, the last example, both hands, that is hour hand and minute hand is on 12, that is 12 midnight. So as per 12-hour clock system it will show 12 as well as per 24-hour clock system the timing is 00, means 24, that is 12 midnight. Then onwards timing will change. Children, now let us study problem set 44. See here, question 1 is given. The time below is given by the 12-hour clock. Write the same by 24-hour clock. Alright. Now, see the first question. 30 minutes past 10 in the morning. In the morning means it is AM. So how it will come? 10:30. Okay. Now see the second one. 10 minutes past 8 in the morning. This is also AM. So what will be the timing? 8:10. Now 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. Now as per 24-hour clock system, first let us know. 1 means 30, 2 means 40, 3 means 50, 4 means 16, 5 means 17, 6 means 18, 7 means 19, 8 means 20, 9 means 21, 10 means 22, 11 means 23 and 12 means 24. Right? So 1 will be of course 13. So how the timing will be? 13:20. Now next one is 40 minutes past 5 in the evening. As I already told you, 1 is 30, 2 is 40, 3 is 50, 4 is 16 and 5 is 17. So what will be the timing? 40 minutes. Okay. So this is how we have done question number 1. Now we'll question number 2, which is match the following. Children, see here what is given. 12-hour clock timings are given, and we have to match these 12-hour clock timings to 24-hour clock timings. Okay. Now 9:10 a.m. It means it is anti-meridian before 12 noon. So what will be the correct timing for this? Yes, it is 9:10. So I have made column over here 9:10. Right? 2:10 p.m. p.m. means post meridian, means after 12 noon. So 2 means what? 1 is 30, 2 is 14. So yes, it will be 14:10. Now third one, 5:25 p.m. It is again post meridian, means after 12 noon. So 1 is 13, 2 is 14, 3 is 15, 4 is 16 and 5 is 17. So 17:25, yes, this will be the correct option for third one. Alright. 11:10 p.m. Of course it is also post meridian, means after 12 noon. So 11 means 23. So this will be the correct answer for this 11:10 p.m. That is, as per 24-hour clock, it is 23 hours 10 minutes. Now 7:25 a.m. means anti-meridian before 12 noon. So it will remain as it is. That is 7 hour 25 minutes. Okay. So this is how we have solved this question number 2. Match the following from problem set 44.
Children, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end.